Y'all just finished up my outline and my slides for tomorrow's webinar, Stuck to Six Figures. And let me tell you why you want to be here, bro. Come and get close so you can really sink in. Let me really get in here. This is not no motivational speech. This ain't no feel good. I hope maybe if you listen to these words, you can do something. I'm telling you, I was a 2-time felon and a teenage father. I had no skills. I had no idea what I was going to do with my life, and manufacturing saved me. I'm telling you this because I made with zero experience, zero skills, and nobody give me these steps. I made consistently over $100,000, 6+ figures, years on end in manufacturing. Verifiable. And not only did I do it for myself, but I ran the manufacturing program at the local technical college for 4 years. Not just training people, but placing people before they even graduated. I'm talking about people leaving with job offers for $36 an hour before the first semester was even over. By the time they graduated, they were already probably working in the field around classes, and they probably had 3 to 4 other opportunities paying $2 to $4 more than what they were actually worth on the open market at the time. But it don't stop there. When I was in the field, I did hiring and I built out systems for some of the top Fortune 100 manufacturing companies across the United States. I've been hiring, developing, training, building out systems for Fortune 100 companies all the way down to mom and pop shops, teaching them the exact way to find people like you, get y'all skilled up, and pay y'all what y'all deserve. But that's still not it. I also collaborate on training programs all across the United States where I've helped build out the curriculum. I've helped people get placed. I've helped bring manufacturers to the door to hire people just like you going through our programs. And even most of those programs have placement rates above 85%, which means people that are graduating from programs I'm affiliated with are getting the bag too. Listen, when I'm not on tour trying to get these jobs in front of people like you and people from our community and the kids, I am in the rooms at the table with the microphone teaching and showing these executives exactly how to get y'all. Dog, if you think about it, I'm really playing with the house's money. And listen, for real, if I can hold everybody's hand one-on-one and coach y'all and walk y'all into this career so I can personally close this skills gap of 1 million open jobs right now and save my industry that I love, I would do it. But I don't have that capacity. I haven't figured out how to do that yet. So this is the next best thing. This is not just motivation. This is not just nice to hear. This is not just nice to have. This is a blueprint. This is a guaranteed bag that you're going to get in 60 days or less. And then you'll get to 6 figures. You'll have a plan to get there in 90 days or less. This is the exact play. This is what worked for me. And I didn't say, hey, maybe I'll just... This has been working for over 1,500 plus people that I directly have involvement with. But if you look at the people that are running my systems and you look at the programs that I'm affiliated with, we upwards of 5,000, 10,000 people that are getting great jobs running this same playbook right now, every day, and counting. So if you're not here on tomorrow, if you're not trying to get the sauce, if you are looking for a job, if you're employed but you underemployed, if you already in manufacturing and you're not getting what you deserve, or you feel like, hey, you're getting what you deserve, but you want a little bit more, this the sauce. And if you're not here, you just don't want to win. But if you are, you're going to get that work guaranteed. It's the MFG, baby. Welcome to the Renaissance.